Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. 5 interesting facts about psoriasis. Dermatologists have named 5 curious facts about psoriasis, which everyone should know about. Moreover, given that the symptoms of this disease are present in the body of millions of people of our planet. 1. Psoriasis is one of the most common infectious skin disorders that causes accumulation of extra skin cells, which leads to the appearance of characteristic areas that provoke itching and redness. But many people do not know that these sites are very painful, and over time they change in size and cause more intense discomfort. 2. Up to 4% of the world's population suffers from psoriasis, but unlike diabetes or cancer, this disease does not cause much interest from the public. Perhaps this is due to the fact that psoriasis is not considered too dangerous for health. 3. Most people are convinced that the summer season is a period of exacerbation of psoriasis, but it is not. Although excessive sweat and moisture can increase the symptoms of the disease, dry and cold weather also adversely affects the development of psoriasis. During the winter, our skin is dried, which makes it more dry and itchy. 4. Do not assume that a man's risk of contact with psoriasis is higher than that of a woman. In fact, statistics show that representatives of both sexes face this disorder in approximately equal proportions. Moreover, psoriasis almost equally affects all age groups, although in adults it occurs a little more often. 5. Very many victims of psoriasis are ashamed of their frustration. Many wear long-sleeved clothes, high collars and never use shorts in the summer. However, this should not be ashamed, but it is better to contact a dermatologist in order to get the most effective treatment. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.